Structured data is a standardized format for providing information about a web page and classifying the page content. It goes a step farther than semantic HTML by including hidden information that not only provides more meaning to the page content, but can also be used in special search result features and enhancements. Let's take a look at the gallery in the Google Developers documentation that shows the different ways structured data can be used to enhance search results. Articles and blog posts that use structured data markup can get displayed in the top stories carousel with a headline and large images. Educational courses can appear in a provider-specific list with the title, provider, and a short description. Events can appear in a list with a date, time, location, and an image. Job postings have their own display in search results with your company logo, reviews, ratings, and job details. Local business details can be displayed with open hours, ratings, directions, and actions to book appointments or order items. The reason that search results from many different websites can be categorized and displayed in the same way is because of the use of structured data. From the gallery here, you can click on one of the Get Started links to see example code and instructions on how to implement it. Let's look at the product example, because that's the one we'll use in the demo. If I scroll down, there's some sample code here. Structured data comes in 3 different encoding formats. Microdata is an open community HTML specification. It's used to nest structured data within HTML content, and it uses tag attributes. RDFA is an HTML5 extension that uses tag attributes that correspond to content that's visible to the user. And the third type is the one that Google recommends using, which is JSON LD. LD stands for linked data. This is a JavaScript notation embedded in a script tag in either the head or body of the page. It doesn't get interleaved with the text that's visible to users. The encoding formats all use a standard vocabulary to define the data elements in the structured data that get parsed to display the different search results that you just saw. The vocabulary is defined by schema.org, which was founded by Google, Microsoft, Yahoo, and Yandex. The standard schemas define the elements you need to include in your structured data. Let's look at the schemas list. The full list is pretty long, so let's search for product. Here are the list of properties related to a product. Most of these are optional, but check the Google Developer Docs for which ones are recommended for each category of structured data. When you're writing your structured data, you can test it before publishing your pages using Google's Rich Results test page. You can either enter the URL to a live page or just paste in the code from your page to validate it. I'll show you both ways in the demo. So let's add some structured data to our PyShop site next.